It's not easy being a parent, especially if you're a working mom. My guest today, Rochelle Rivera, is the lead licensed practical nurse for Emerson Health Urology, and she's a working mom. She's joining me today to tell us about the support and encouragement that she receives every day at Emerson Health. This is the HealthWorks Here podcast from Emerson Health. I'm Scott Webb. Rochelle, thanks so much for your time today. We're going to learn more about you, what you do at Emerson, how you do it, what you love about it. So as we get started here, what do you do at Emerson?
So I am the lead LPN nurse here at Emerson Health Urology Outpatient Clinic, and I oversee the day-to-day clinical operations under the supervision of my senior practice manager. And I've been with Emerson for 8 years, and 2 of those years were spent with an Emerson-affiliated practice.
Gotcha, and I imagine there's a number of reasons why you love going to work, but maybe you can take us through some of them. Like, what do you like best about it? What do you look forward to every day?
Within our department, we have a great culture, which is a huge part of it. And here, the department has evolved tremendously, and this is a huge part of why I like coming to work every day. And I'm very fortunate that I'm able to run the clinic with autonomy, and this allows me to, create a positive work culture within the staff, give the staff the tools that they need to be successful, and also listen to their concerns and be empathetic and compassionate towards situations that they have going on in their outside lives. Also, when you walk into the department, you kind of get the sense that things just feel good. You see that the staff are helping each other. Everyone is friendly and laughing and smiling frequently. And we get a lot of compliments from patients. They do pick up on that, and they just realize how busy we are, but we're all getting along and trying to work together to take care of the patients as a team. And that's really important for them to see that we're working collaboratively.
I'm sure it is. And of course, we're all patients, right? Including, doctors and nurses. But anytime we walk into any sort of medical facility, it always just feels a little better when you see people with smiles on their faces, laughing, joking, getting along, as you say, working collaboratively. You can really see how that would benefit people, right?
Exactly.
So I know that you're a working mom, and I'm wondering, how have you been supported? How have you felt supported as a working mom at Emerson?
Yeah, so this is actually really interesting. This year has been very difficult for me. Earlier this year, my husband deployed overseas, and along with caring for 2 children of my own that I have, I took in an emergency kin foster placement, and this all happened maybe within a span of 3 months. So I've been very fortunate to work with an amazing department that has supported me and uplifted me during this time. My senior practice manager went above and beyond for me, from approving time off to spend time with my family, and also allowing me to flex my hours so that I can take care of my children. And the support has not only been from my practice manager, this really extends to the physicians that I work with, my colleagues, and even my patients, some of them who see me on a weekly basis. You kind of develop a relationship with them, and, they can get that sense of what's going on with you. And also the administration, too. Everybody's been great, and it's like we're a part of the Emerson family. And the support itself has just lifted a huge weight off of my shoulders, and I'll be forever grateful for everything that they've done for me. And I'm proud to be a part of the Emerson family, and I hope to be here for many more years to come.
Yeah, I'm sure you will be, and awfully ambitious of you, right? Your husband gets deployed, and you're like, well, let's just take in another, why not, right?
Yeah, what's one more?
Yeah, the more the merrier,
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, it's been great to learn more about you today and what you do there and the support that you get. As we wrap things up here, what do you want folks to know, whether it's if they're thinking about a career at Emerson or thinking about seeking medical care at Emerson, what would you like them to know?
I talk to a lot of my nursing friends, and I always say, come work at Emerson. It's a great place. You'll love it. Everyone is like family here. And I think in nursing, that's really important. There's sort of this stigma with nursing, and I don't get that sense here. I see other nurses walking in the hall, and everyone's friendly. And even if they don't know you, they're saying hi. And everyone is really eager to offer up support and suggestions. And really, Emerson, they want to support you, and they want you to be here. They want the longevity. They want you to grow in your career, and they want to help you get there. And I went through that, when I was in nursing school here. I mean, the administration really helped me and supported me through nursing school, which was crucial because I was working and I was a mom and I've got my husband. And so, it's very important to have a space where you can work that is very helpful to you, and that's really important.
Yeah, and I know just overall, having hosted a lot of these, that there's just a overall shortage of nurses. in the country. And so if there are folks out there and they're qualified and they're looking for an awesome place to work that's supportive of working moms with husbands who are deployed and all of that, Emerson would be the place. So thanks so much. Great to meet you today. Great to learn more about you, and you stay well.
Thank you. You too.
And for more information, go to emersonhealth.org/careers. And thanks for listening to Emerson's HealthWorks Here podcast. I'm Scott Webb, and make sure to catch the next episode by subscribing to the HealthWorks Here podcast on Apple, Google, Spotify, or wherever podcasts can be heard.